Hello, I'm Eric, and welcome to Easy Science, science explained as simply as possible. Today I'm going to be talking about blood types and what the different blood types mean. So maybe some of you have donated blood in the past, and as your lifeblood slowly slips out of you into the bag, maybe you've wondered who can receive your blood? Who will your blood go to? Can anyone take your blood, or are there only certain people? And so this is going to be the answer to that question. There are four main blood types: blood type A, blood type B, AB, and O. If you have blood type A, you actually have a little sugar coating the outside of your red blood cells that effectively says, "Hi, I'm blood type A." On the other hand, if you have blood type B, you have a different sugar coating the outside of your cells that says, "Hi, I'm blood type B." So imagine that you've been stuck on a tiny desert island somehow with another individual who's been injured and is going to require a blood transfusion to stay alive, and so you decide to do that and give them a blood transfusion. But unbeknownst to you, you have type A blood and they have type B blood. So now what's going to happen? Well, what's going to happen is as soon as you put your type A blood into this type B person, their immune system is going to identify your type A blood as a foreign invader, just like a virus or a bacteria, and their immune system will destroy all of the blood you just put in there. Furthermore, your blood doesn't understand that it's not in its own body, and it assumes that the type B blood of the person it's been put into is actually the invader, and so it will attack and destroy the new person's blood as well until that person just simply dies very quickly. So congratulations, you've just killed that person. So the point is that you have to be careful who you give blood to. So let's talk a little bit more about the other two blood types with that being said. The next type of blood is type AB blood, and if you look at the picture, you can see that it is coated with the type A and type B sugars. And so as a result, it can receive type A blood because the type AB blood recognizes those type A sugars because they also exist on the surface of the type AB red blood cell. And then the same goes for receiving transfusions from type B blood as it recognizes that type of sugar. The last blood type is blood type O, and as you can see from the diagram, there are no sugars on the outside that identify it as either type A, B, or type AB, and so this means that you can give type O blood to any of the other blood types because there are no sugars on the outside that identify it as being the wrong blood type or the wrong chemical marker on the outside. And for this reason, blood type O is considered the universal donor, and so at blood banks and hospitals, this is the most sought after blood type. The bad news is that blood type O cannot receive type A, type B, or type AB. But the good news, if you're type AB, is that you can receive all three blood types, and so you are called the universal recipient. The last question I usually get is, Eric, what does it mean to be A positive or A negative or O positive or O negative? What does the positive and negative mean? Well, that's the Rh factor, which is related to a protein that is also on the outside of the red blood cells. If you have this protein on the outside, then you are Rh positive, and if you don't have the protein, then you're Rh negative. The rule is that Rh positive people can accept both Rh positive and Rh negative blood, but Rh negative people can only accept negative blood types. So if you could just select a blood type to have, which would be the best blood type to select? Well, I would say that that would be AB positive, because you can not only just accept blood from A, B, AB, and O blood types, you can also accept both the positive and negative variations of both. So you can accept blood from literally any individual. The worst would probably be type B negative blood, because then you can only accept blood from O negative people like everybody else, and then B negative, which is only around 10% of the population. The most common blood type is O positive, which is what I have. If you want to find out what your blood type is, you can go to any doctor and they can do a little skin prick and get a drop of blood and put it on a little card, and that card will tell you immediately what your blood type is. Well, that's the end of this video. If you learned anything or enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if there are any other topics you'd like to see covered, please just leave a comment below. I hope you have a great day. Okay, that's it for blood types. If this video was enjoyable or helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. And if there are any video topics that you would like to see, please just say so in the comments. Have a great day.